Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ha ka jingpen bet thamai ke sarkar ya ka goods and services tax lani ka GST. Ka sarkar kalapan Kiew ya ka Khajna jong u Sikret bat ki weipat ki jait duma kum u gutkha bat ki weipat ki balashna na ki duma. Ka Khajna kala Kiew na ka arpu pra persen sya ka 100% kat ba ka Khajna yo u Biri pat la penhiar na ka arpu pra persen sya ka khat pra persen. Bat ka Khajna ya kisla ki bashna Biri pat ka Hiar na ka khat pra persen sya ka 100%. Ka jingkiu ka Khajna yo u Sikret bat ka jing penhiar pat yo u Biri. Kala pelingo ya ki pajba namar ba kini ki digi ju hi ki jat duma. Ki babu jingma ya ka kot ka khya ki pajba. Bat haba ya nujor lei hapadeng u Biri bat u Sikret. Ki nongwat benia kilam baka khambun jingma ya ki badi Biri. Henrei ki nongwat benia kilam baka daw baka sarkar ka penhiar ya ka Khajna jong u Biri. Ka dei namar ba ki don hadu nyopo lakngut ki Nongtrei ki batrei ha ki Karkhana shna Biri. Baper ki badon ha ka ri India. Bat ka sarkar ka le ya kani khnang bakan om kata ya ka kam jong ki taraishnong. Namar ba ki baseng kamru dei ki taraishnong. Bat ki Nongtrei ru ki dei ki taraishnong. Shwa ya kani ka Swadeshi Jagaran Manch ka seng ka badon jia dei bat ka RSS. Kala tho siya ka menteri ka tanat platingka ka Nirmala Sitaraman. Baka dei ka jingbo Khajna ka bahadu arpu pra persen yo ubiri. Ka ketab ha khamtam ya ka kam ka jam jong ki brio ki batrei ha ki Karkhana Biri. Kani ka Khajna thamai kan sedang nadu ka arpu arterik mentau benai.
Just want to highlight the last one, that there is a special rate which is 40%. Actually, almost all goods are between 18 and 5. If there's any change, they only can shuffle between the 18 and 5. There is one special rate which is only for sin and super luxury goods. That special rate of 40% has also been proposed and it's cleared. That will apply only to pan masala, cigarettes, gutka, and other tobacco products such as chewing tobacco, products like zarda, unmanufactured tobacco, and bidi. All goods including aerated waters containing added sugar or other sweetening matter or flavored, caffeinated beverages, carbonated beverages or fruit drink, or carbonated beverages with fruit juice and other non-alcoholic beverages, excluding those specified at lower rates, will all be covered under 40%. Mid-size and large cars, motorcycles of engine capacity exceeding 350 cc, aircraft, for example, helicopters and aeroplanes for personal use, distinctly for personal use, yacht and other vessels for pleasure or sports are all under 40%. I think I've mentioned it clearly, till such a time that the loans don't get repaid. We will continue with the 28% items and the compensation cess collection over it, particularly only those items which I read out, tobacco related products, and they will continue till such a time I repay the loan, which is the council has authorized the finance minister to stop that collection the moment the loan is repaid. I cannot speculate on the time now whether it is October or November, but it will be well within, I think, this calendar year.